welcome back to my channel. And from many days I not posted any video, but today finally I am posting. So today's video is gonna be again a fun makeup challenge. Today I'm gonna be using only a small makeup kit and this kit kind of looking thing. I look at the makeup brushes set. These two are so looking pretty but are damn difficult to use. So yeah, this was the challenge for me to use this kind of a makeup kit, which I think none of a person uses in this kind of a generation. When the YouTubers tell them everything how to use this, how to use this, and let's look at the makeup brushes, in which it has the makeup brushes like two small ones, but it has very usual makeup brushes too in it. So yeah, let us get one main thing, do not have any kajal, eyeliner, mascara, these kind of things in it, and bronzer and anything. It's really simple, so much, and it has the blush, damn pigmented and damn glittery. Oh my god, that was too much. Its bottle looks too much beautiful when we see it. It's like a shell kind of a eyeshadow, but it looks so much holographic also. But when we take it out and just like kind of do a swatch, it's so chalky. But yeah, before further ado, let us move on to this video and let us use these two products. This is what this makeup kit looks like. So it is an NYN makeup kit. In Urdu and in English, it's kind of an Indian brand, perfectly an Indian brand. It looks like so much of copy of an NYS. And this is the Hello Kitty makeup brush set. It's so cute, so nice packaging, very sturdy packaging. And these are the makeup brushes. It has a powder brush, a foundation brush, which is so useless. this we can use this for eyeliner, also for filling our brows. Also, lipstick brush, I used it yesterday only. This eyeshadow stick, this eyeshadow padding brush, and this large concealing brush. So these are all the brushes here in this, what we say as makeup brush set. And let us move on to the makeup challenge. So yeah, first I'm gonna be using the foundation which we have in it, because it does not have a primer. You will be knowing that. So this is too much like kind of sweaty because the fan is not moving, because it will cause a lot of voice. This is how the powder looks like. This one is the matte and this one is the shimmery. These two are the kind of shimmery blushes, and see the pigmentation. This one looks damn cute. See, just see the pigmentation. Oh my god! Wow. Do you think that a blush needs this much of pigmentation and is still not blending well? So that's quite a kind of nice problem. So yeah, so now I'm gonna be applying the powder of it by my powder brush of that Hello Kitty set, this one, and now I'm gonna be applying it. It has a very small mirror. Oh my god, this mirror, terrible. So much pigmented. My hair tanning. Oh my god, my tanning. Tanning is not hiding. It's very low coverage. I am not so much attracted by the quality of the products. Concealing everything, seeing everything with these powders. A makeup kit like the chameleon makeup kits has that kind of concealer box also, like it is written this shade, this shade, this shade. It has I think 4 or 6 shades, so that's really nice for concealer, and these makeup kit do not have that, so that's a big problem. And I'm going to show you which kind of applicator it has. This kind of a very low quality sponge. These kind of eyeshadows stick, very bad quality. And this is the kind of applicator of the lipstick. And this can be an applicator. Oh my god, no, can't be. And I'm gonna again doing a little bit of it.
Up with it, girl.
Sorry. I talk too much. I do less talk. So it's not pigmented, guys. It's so much terrible. Now I'm gonna be using some of the eyeshadow of it, and yeah. So it has these kind of eyeshadows. The seeds, they look so pretty. So the seeds like that, but they're actually not. So I'm gonna be using my eyeshadow brush. I use it for the concealing of my brow bones, also like that. And this big one I use for the concealing of the under eyes. It's a very useful brush. And I think this powder did a little bit of job, very little bit of a job. So yeah, you can see, and it does. You can't tell about that. It has so like high, like kind of a skin tone than me. So yeah, so I'm gonna be taking this shade and this shade. It's so terrible. Oh my god. I'm gonna zoom my camera. I was much impressed like by the shade which I made on my eye, but I was still not impressed with the quality. Oh my god. So bad quality of these eyeshadows, and now I'm gonna be using this shade as I told on my face. This kind of a brush for the crease. Way too much typical girl. Like that. I'm sorry for the noise. So after so much, a long time, I'm doing my makeup. Way too much. Too bad. So yeah, I hope you have saw. And now I'm gonna be opening the fan cord because I'm getting too much hot. Opened. So now I'm gonna be managing with this voice. I think you are hearing this voice, and this can be used for like remove my sweat. Oh. Yes, so now I take my powder. I need to set up a little bit, so I'm gonna be doing that. That perfectly. So now I'm gonna be moving on to my blush. As you have saw, color other brushes, blushes, I could bind it with that only. So I'm gonna be using a very little amount of this light shimmery blush. There's so many makeup kits, but not this kind of, because this is shimmery blush. You will not see the color, you will mainly see the glitters on it. So now guys, my blush is done, and now we're going to be moving on to my already highlighted, already bronzer, nothing on to my lipstick straight. So I have this kind of a lipstick brush, and I have these lipsticks. So I want to take this red color, this one, because it's orange red color. This one is a maroon, orange, and so I'm going to be taking the red color, and I've made this maroon shade. I'm going to get the maroon color because it looks like too much. I want to show you taking what the heck? Oh my god.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. See?
So what am I thinking? The pink shade is way more pigmented. What am I thinking? I see this off camera so much layers, and I should tell our layers I didn't come back with my final look. So guys, it was not able to do. I was not able to just see the pigmentation and you will laugh at this. Okay, so yeah guys, this is the final look. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment down below that which video do you want to see the next. Just this much. Bye bye.